Hi, this is Santosh and we're gonna see about lesson number 14, probability question on the NCERT book. This is the example 4, and the example 4 is the one card is drawn from the well shuffled deck of 52 cards. There is 52 cards in a deck of card, which is 13 each. 13 is an heart, and 13 is a diamond, and 13 is a flower, and 13 is a spade. So these 13 cards, 4 into 13 will makes into 52 cards. So total of 52 cards in the deck. Each have each symbol have one ace in it. So which is this one has one ace and one ace and one ace, right? So there is an ace card which is in the heart in shape, and there is an ace card which is in the diamond shape, and the ace card which is in the flower shape, and the ace card in the spade shape, right? So all the this is in the all the symbols, right? So there is a 4 cards will be in the 52 card set, right? So there is a 4 cards in the 52 card set. So So 4 cards in the 52 card set. So first thing that we gonna see here is about just take out the P of E. So 4 cards in the 52 card set, right? So that is 4 aces in the 52 cards. So we want to find this particular event, which is finding an ace, right? So this is a sample space, and there is a space inside it which is an event. So this is an event of ace, right? This is an event of not an ace. So first we want to find the event of ace, EA, which is equal to 4 cards of aces by the total cards, which is 52, right? So 4 by 52 will give you 1 by 30. So what is not ace? In the second question they ask about the not ace, which means what are the cards which are not ace, which is not ace cards will be 52 minus 4, right? So it will be 48 cards which are not an ace, maybe a king, queen, or anything else, maybe 10, 9, 8, or anything else will not be ace. So 48. So P of not ace, which is equal to 48 by 52. Again, 24 by 26, 12 by 13. So that is your probability, not an ace. So on the next case we go for an alternative method. So alternative method is about using the axioms of probability. So you can see in the diagram that sample space contains 2 events, which is ace and not an ace, right? So you already know that adding all the events will make it to 1. So probability of an event 1 plus probability of event 2 is equal to 1. So here the 2 events are probability of ace and probability of not an ace, which is 1. So you already know the probability of ace, right? So which is 4 by 52, which is 1 by 30. So 1 minus P of E. So you know this. So substitute 1 minus 1 by 13 will give you 12 by 30. It's an alternative way to find the same exact answer for not an ace. So this is about the video. Please hope you like it. So this is, you should know about the probabilities, axioms, and this is an example for you. Thank you so much.